Welcome to this explainer. Let's master PMP risk response strategies so you can absolutely crush those exam questions.
You've memorized the definitions, but those tricky situational questions still trip you up, right? Well, let's fix that.
Seriously, stop rote memorizing. To decode these scenarios, you've got to master the true PMI mindset instead.
Always use the diagnostic formula, right? Identify the risk, analyze it, respond proactively, and then monitor. Let's compare threats. Avoiding a risk eliminates it completely, while mitigating just reduces its overall severity.
Like avoid a threat by changing your project scope, or mitigate it by adding extra software testing.
Now, transferring pushes the impact onto a third party. Accepting? Well, that means you just live with it. Basically, you transfer risk by buying insurance, you accept it by setting aside a contingency reserve budget.
Watch out, though. Choosing to escalate to management on the exam is literally a massive red herring.
But hey, remember, PMI also considers opportunities as positive risks. We absolutely want these to happen.
To grab these, we exploit for a 100% guarantee or enhance just to boost our odds.
For instance, exploit by assigning your absolute best talent. Enhance by offering incentives for early delivery.
If you can't capture the opportunity alone, use the share strategy by forming a solid strategic partnership.
So the golden PMI mindset rule? Always evaluate and assess the impact first before taking any action.
Stop memorizing and start diagnosing. Apply this exact mindset and no situational question will ever trick you again.
Over 1 million learners use ABC e-learning apps to pass IT exams. Find us in the bio.